Once and for all, it's not Rasgulla, okay? It is Rashogolla. Rashogolla.
You know, we're very happy for our friends from Odisha because the Rasgulla was GI tagged and now it's theirs. But I would just like to point out the fact that nobody remembers the first man who ran, but people are going to remember Usain Bolt for being good at it. So, the Rasgulla is ours. It's Bangali. That is a fact.
Okay, fine, you're tired of hearing about Rasgulla. Who cares? Okay, we love our Rasgulla. But Rasgulla থেকেও better নোলেন গুড়ের রসগোল্লা, নোলেন গুড়ের পায়েস, নোলেন গুড় দিয়ে পিঠে, you know, ওই কোকোনাট আর ওই ডেসিকেটেড কোকোনাট যেটাকে বলেন আপনারা, একটু গুড় দিয়ে সটে করে with ক্ষীর, chini, and then wrap it up. That crepe is heaven. If you wanna argue with me, you clearly have never had it before, so please.
I think we talk a lot about spirituality these days, and the most spiritual experience you can have as a Bangali is to have a Nolen Gurer Kachagulla. It does not get more heavenly than that. You cannot compare the feeling of biting into that softness and experiencing the depth of Nolen Gur to anything else. It might even beat the legendary, the only Nolen Gurer Rasgulla. I said it.
If you are done with the decadence of Nolen Gur, let's talk about the humble Malai Chum Chum. You know, your chum chum, like, you know, chum 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 chamakti malpua se.
I know that everyone in the rest of India, due to lack of options or maybe just sheer lack of innovation, is only talking about Kaju Katlis, which come in two shapes and exactly one flavor. But Kolkata's mishtis are where it is at. I am sorry, but when you can make a blueberry Kaju Katli and a chocolate Kaju Katli and a strawberry Kaju Katli and a cake Kaju Katli the way we can make a blueberry shondesh, a chocolate shondesh, a strawberry shondesh and even a cake shondesh, then you come and talk.
Say what you will, king of all crepes is our humble old patishapta, okay? There is also a savory version of it called shoru chakli, but not going into the savory dishes right now because our sweet dishes are like galo amar kito jole.
Oh, and did we talk about our Makha Shondesh? Did we talk about how good that is? Because everybody knows. We are reigning. We are reigning in the Mishti department.
We have so much more. We have puli pithe, we have regular pithe, we have Malai Chom Chom, we have Lady Kenny, named after, like, no, Lady Canning. And Lady Kenny is what is basically like a lomba version of your humble old gulab jamun. I have nothing against it. But we have a version of it which is sweeter, more decadent, and definitely will give you diabetes. It's called the Kalo Jam. Oh my god, I'm gonna die right now. It's so...
And do you know why Bengali children are happier than other children in the rest of India? No, it's not because of the increased number of storybooks. It is because আমরা ভালো বোধে খাওয়াই আমাদের বাচ্চাদের, বুঝলে?
Then talking about our paeshes, you know, like paeshes, we don't have one, আমাদের অনেকগুলো আছে, like, you know, we have Nolen Gurer, we have the regular old যে গোবিন্দভোগ চালের দিয়ে বানানো হয়, there is our ছানার পায়েস. Like, no birthday is complete without paesh, you know, like, screw the cake. No, don't screw the cake, just, like, you know, বলার খাতিরে বলছি, but like paesh is what makes a birthday.
মিহিদানা, তারপরে রস দিয়ে ভালো করে ফ্রাই করা বোঁদে, এই নয় যে রায়তার মধ্যে ভরে বোঁদে দিয়ে দিলাম বাচ্চাকে আর তারপরে বললাম নাও খাও তুমি বোঁদে।
লক্ষ্মী পুজো বলুন, সরস্বতী পুজো বলুন, দুর্গা পুজো বলুন, কালী পুজো বলুন, there has to be paesh in your bhog. You know, like, it's not complete otherwise. Your life is not complete otherwise if you don't have paesh. গোবিন্দভোগ চালের পায়েস, মাঝে মাঝে ছানার, but mostly গোবিন্দভোগ চালের with Nolen Gur. See, basically the moral of the story is if you're Bangali, you can have your cake and eat your paesh too. It's as simple as that.
দেখো, তুমি যদি সন্দেশ বা মিষ্টির কথা বলছো, and if you're talking about Bengali sweets, you cannot miss কড়া পাক সন্দেশ, ঠিক আছে? It is a good সন্দেশ for the uninitiated, which is hard. Why is it nice? I don't know, a quiet taste. Why is sushi nice? সবাইকার ভাল লাগে না, I understand, but then that's what makes it beautiful. It's not something everybody likes.
By the way, বাঙালিদের মধ্যে না there is no concept of, like, you know, diabetes হয়ে গেছে, high sugar হয়ে গেছে তো মিষ্টি খাওয়া ছেড়ে দেবো, you know. We have this diabetes friendly মিষ্টি called চিত্তরঞ্জন. এই কালাকান্দের ভাই sort of, except a lot less sweeter. It's very tantalizing, the subtle notes of, you know, the chana and God knows what makes it sweet. I'm pretty sure it is gonna give you diabetes, but who cares? You will at least die happy.
আর তারপরে কড়া পাক যার মধ্যে জল ভরা জল ভরা কড়া পাক I mean it's like a lady in the streets and a freak in the sheets. What more can you ask for?
Anyway, এসব হাম্বল জিনিসপত্র সাইডে রেখে if there was anything like a South Kolkata personality as a Mishti that would look down upon everybody else like a typical South Kolkata person, that would be the elevated লবঙ্গ লতিকা, ক্ষীরের সিঙ্গারা and জয়নগরের মোয়া is an emotion. শীতকালে পাওয়া যায় only. The others are like fake news. Stay away from them. Fake news they are.
Hit the bell icon and get notified every time we post a new video.
If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to iDiva. If you didn't like this video, you have terrible taste.